Hey, we're back at Luv-A-Rug on beta, and wow, how cool is this? This is like, this is some pretty, we're doing a little bit of wet work here. I feel like Dexter should work in here, maybe, Dusty, I don't know, but look at this. Hey, Alex, can you come up and get this? It's getting out of control there. It's going to turn into a cartoon cleaner in a second. Dusty, is this the way? Is this the proper way to do a carpet?
Absolutely. Rug? This is how we wash rugs. We use a lot of water. There's a lot of cleaner that we use.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, we want to get all that dirt out. We got to wash it. It's like laundry. We got to get the dirt out. We're not fooling around. You don't want to see our water bill.
Well, what I would be worried about if I have an expensive Persian rug, which I don't, unfortunately, but if I did, I'd worry about it, well, shrinking and the colors running and any number of different things.
You should be very concerned about that, because those are things that do happen. Just not when they come to Luv-A-Rug. We know how to handle those problems.
Yeah,
As a matter of fact, take a look at this right here. I've got this all set up.
Already?
Right here. This brick.
I can barely walk with these huge boots on.
This brick has been down here on that towel overnight. This is a dampened towel with some of our special cleaner on there. See that?
Yep.
That's the problem.
Oh, so you can't clean this rug?
Actually, we can clean it because we know how to lock the dyes so it won't bleed. There'll be no problem when we wash it because we are real rug washers. We know how to do this.
Yeah. So now this is the difference between carpet cleaning and rug cleaning, I guess. I keep saying carpet, but that's a different deal.
That's true.
These are rugs that are brought in here, and you are a specialist in doing this type of thing.
Absolutely. There's a big difference between carpet cleaning and rug cleaning. Carpet cleaning, very, very little water is used. They do the very best job they can from the top side of the carpet down, but they can never guarantee pet odor control. After a couple of times of pee-pee on a rug, it's not a rug anymore to the dog or the cat, it's the toilet. And we're here to flush the toilet, Gordy. That's what we do.
Okay, I don't know if that's good imagery, but you know, if your rug is damaged, you don't want to have to get rid of it or spray it with some horrible nil odor thing that gives it a different smell altogether again.
Absolutely. It's going to smell completely neutral when we're done. Beautiful, soft, fluffy. We absolutely guarantee it. Clients will be thrilled with it.
In the room next door, you have a drying room, which I think is brilliant. You got like a million things hanging in there, all drying with fans and ventilation and what have you. And then you have another room down the hall there with carpets, rugs again, stacked up, and you donate those apparently.
We sure do.
Yeah.
We do. What happened is we actually give away rugs. Not give away. We donate the rug cleaning. Clients will often give us rugs that they don't want anymore. Maybe they're downsizing, whatever. They'll give us the rug, we'll wash it, then we'll give the rug to the charity of their choice, whether it be Women in Need or Habitat for Humanity or maybe a St. Vincent de Paul. It doesn't matter. Whatever charity they want it to go to, that's who we'll send it to. So we take a lot of rugs in like that. That's our way of giving back to the community. You know, it was Gordy Dodd that actually inspired us to do that.
Really? Well, he's the best of that.
Yeah, he knows how to give back.
How do people get involved with you? How do they find out more?
Well, they can get a free instant estimate by texting us at 778-533-7847, or they can go to our website.
If they text you, they can send in a picture of
Absolutely.
their rug.
You know, they can send us a picture of their rug with, well, maybe it has pee-pee on it, and they want to see how much it's going to cost to
How
clean
many times did we say pee-pee today?
Thank you, Gordy.
Thanks for this.
Thanks for coming by.